just gonna fill this in. And believe me, I mean, with all this, I try to keep it a thin coat, but it gets really heavy. So even though I try to keep it thin and whatnot, it did get really heavy. So we will see if our 6-inch cake can support 3 of these. If not, we're gonna try, we'll do the other horns that I made out of fondant. And if not, I've got a backup. Okay, so we're gonna just coat this. Fill in all the little crevices.
Wow.
Thank you so much.
That's Joan Smith, our lovely assistant.
See, if all the YA members had come down, they'd all be in the videos.
Yes.
Okay. A paper towel, please. Okay, so that goes back into the refrigerator to chill, and it only takes a few minutes. The chocolate chills pretty fast. So we'll go back to our masks. We're going to make the pieces that go with these masks, and what I have are a bazillion different cutters. When I was at ISIS, I got some, I went to some of the booths. I already knew that I needed to do this cake, so I had the masks in mind. I am using the scroll cutters that I got from Jennifer Dance. I really like these. They're perfect for a medieval jester type thing, especially the fleur-de-lis, which I absolutely loved. And the celestial theme, I got these diamond guys. So some things I was going to use and some things not. You know, I wasn't sure. You know, you got all these. I love this little teardrop guy. So I had all these options. This is a set, and again, it's from Jennifer Dance. She's at Sugar Delights. It's Delites. Or you can just Google her name, Dance, D-O-N-T-Z, Jennifer Dance. And she's very good. She's very, I love her customer service. It's very good. So that's where I got these, and she had the best price. And then this other one I got is actually a fairy wing. And there were several different types of fairy wings, but I thought, oh, this is going to go perfect on the side of my mask. Like so. I'm going to use it. I haven't quite figured out exactly how I'm going to put it on yet. I haven't decided, but I like it. So I'm going to use this on my mask. So I'm going to cut a couple of those out. This I got from Creations by Edith. That's a website. And then there were some other, this is another scroll set. This is also the same website, Creations by Edith. She had some scroll cutters in there. I believe it was the set. And then I have these square, these I'm not using on the masks. I'm actually using these, although you could use the diamond, this one. This is just a stacking square set. And what I did is I pushed on it, you know, because it's metal, push on it to make a diamond, because I need the Harlequin design for my cake. So I actually am going to be using this middle one. I believe this is the one I'm going to use. You just press on it, and I'm going to be using that, either that one or this one to go around. I haven't decided yet. We'll worry about it later. Okay. So what I did is take a little bit of fondant. Now it depends on what color I rolled out. I rolled some out in blue, some out in white, some out in yellow, depending on if I wanted to dust them in gold, dust them in blue, dust them in silver. Just depending on how I wanted to dust it would depend on what color of fondant I rolled out. So, and I have green too, so I guess we can do some green. We have some green fondant?
Yes, we do.
Okay, so we're going to do some green. And I also, one other thing that I'm using in the mask, since the theme for the wedding cake was celestial, it was a wedding theme, I also have the PME, the stacking, to do some stars. So, and I did these in a bunch of different colors. So I cut a bunch of those out. But let's roll some of this out and get some green going.